Yo, assalamu alaikum badi ngoli ngali kontong. Bi kote ke ngali bismillah so kuta nak bar butung. Wato e mindi nan ni wol nata drong kabanko dingo be tentu, kabanko fanan dingo be jayi, kabanko dingo be nimbara milialon ko. Wala mon la moy lalti. Banko kono ni banko fanan bantala. Anyways, nada drong quickly broka kodol address mi yalon kolle keta jimbanko ka wala fanan be kering. Ku jama mi yalon ko sorry. Ku jama mi yalon kolle be kering banko ka. Yo si mobe tentu ngamo fanan be jayi ngamo be nimbara. Yo mbadi ngolu ngajele a few days ago nga interview dole jibe mi yalon ko ke mo bojang nga moy dok makawol mi yalon kay wolle fo kerfatu barbutum mbe wo kacalale be kacala fana alhalo mi yalon ko be keding politiko kono banko kan be kacala wala mbe kacala fana ko dol mi yalon ko probably ne wol fangol manna bari coming kacanya na karola si wolsi dunno kaca kono le yo barbutum wol be kono ninga molje fana milialon ko le lafta participate lansi si flodi no lale so ko defé ci kaca mol fe bar janembe dunna woto be mobe konton nambe mo fana be nimbara la me molu tentu la fana kafo moli ko basically fanang be kutu kanendo manding trying to establish something mi yalon ko probably not only us but also for the future of our future and also for Gambian youth mi yalon ko probably wala fanan be interest la ko dol mi yalon ko telephone be wala ke kan bi bawo mo hanama ni mebe ko kunto ilafta advancement la je ani mol fanan be taraje milialon ko nyaabe tarawo fanan kan wol fanan si jikir ko ni e daake je asike fanan namanta be ngoti so basically insali kontondro ngal tentu ngal jayi yo coming nin kacha min nata bi wolen kuma danta mi yalon ko lafta kawle jabi kuma kawle milialon ko ke mo bojay wole fo kerfatu sitale nka kumoli jabi parce que kumodol bije ni woltuje abe mulunta yala ko toñalen ayatara toña wo ko nyin toña manta nke mo nga moyla e diamo monke ko alaji usini etel sindile in the presence of card ko alamanta contest la 2026 ayre alaji usini diamta ba kote I mean, now man can last campaign last campaign mitino mi yalon ko leketa bakote. Okay, sorry, na internet will tata dong. My apologies. Yo alaji usen diamta bakote my itanjiro cheko probably I have a probability bije in Mandinka contest tumando nyinebe kala na last lot as opposition hana mandingole ka omoy manika ka moy la alfale ka omoy keba katan o mu keba katan kumolta nin keba ka moy hana manje keba defana hakili male ka moy alaji usen diamta itanjiro cheko because Mojama in 2021 believed ako United Democratic Party be winner. So Alai Hussein conveyed that message indirectly kaitani molako we believe at 100% ko wala at 99 wala 95% ko United Democratic Party be winner these elections. I message you nyindi I are D in that contest letter. I are 4 in that contest letter. Wala na ko njikita ko nyinne be kala na contest labonte as oppositions bara ma fo ko manta lola anene mom alaji usen ne ma daila ko moy ko manta lola ntebe ni ala temo mbole fola ndesi wo fonola I am at a very good position pour ngasi ngafo mole ko alaji usenu nene ma daile aya fo moy ko manta lola ndene alaji Ousainou Sita kabirin ke mola kuma kan mbole di bon kande ande mbole fo kam moli ko fan yalen amangen to nyati yaje ku dantam beje ku kolembalen ite ke mo bojang janimbe duna alaji useni naela kacha ay min fonye de pamani wo opposition ya kola wo candidate kola andi ye kuma kan mu yalan ko ke moye wala fabricate kabiri ya pin ka fo moli ko wala ka fo banko dingoli ko ate ke mo bojang te sonna ngaminke Ibrahima Dibale nga wakatila wala minke Ibrahima Dibale wakatila moman kuke Ibrahima Dibala moli to nyal fo Ibrahima la koto kemo Ibrahima e minke ni yake nga min fo Ibrahima e mbolo fole andu Ibrahima e minke ite ma beke bare munjo ko ye wala ke woto Ibrahima tafuta dawo danto e fananda do mandingo be jeli mi yalon ko moli nyanta ka fonole kemo mbe hakilo bulande letela dindi yabe daminto ite alfa letra nyim patiye kono yela hajo beke nyim patiye yela dunia beke nyim patiye yela nafulo ke nyim patiye nte sita alaji Usenu sita modo sita billahi wulngay kuma kango fo mi yalon ko ni ala ni Muhammad tema bibi ni nga fo dawdan to molbe bulola lay kunto e kumbo sacrifices alaji Usenu e mingi ay o fonte fongole nte pamane in the presence of somebody else ndabe ka fo moy na wulo be alahira mbemba tambedu be siring nteleng alaji Usenu anim mbemba tambedu ay sacrifices munke nyimpatie ay modol ni modol kumande mili yalon ko ila on properties ye wolle wafi pour ka nyimpatie balu ni munke ta United Democratic Party ke mobo je itama wulu folon itama bondi kilo fongo kono kabiri ite wuluta ibota karambu ngoto hani kolomo ine makati no ifonge ite fo fen soto political ya dila political mu ya dila United Democratic Party is the source of that atodum fang mbafla nyadile moli believe mun soto ila koto United Democratic Party le tunka wobe and wobe 99% of contribution mo keta je wo mo alaji Usenu lati ay ci ka janga ye samba China ay hani banku dingolla ni United Democratic Party la kolita yati na fo tata fo America ite biriki dingo inene ma buloko de dano e fango ite kemo boya ite ka see you have the audacity ka fo moliko nte kemo bojang nte mfan sacrifice nyin ke bayele ngam fan sacrifice nyim patie ite mu nekk nyim patie ite mu yalon ko e ma wulu folo kemo ite la CEO ite la sanjo ne nyim patie sanjo bondije femmantu yeje hani port samburo ni yesi ndaka ite kunnaje ko ite mu nekk nyim patie ite mu yatara janite ka wulu ite yatara molbe je miliyalon ko de sell their own properties molbe je miliyalon ko bi na tre ma wo lansol wafi ila property eli me wafi bi estate le bol buli nyim banko kanja bal ni wol fota wol bela because United Democratic Party la yatina woli o establish ite nata e fanja kono woli o establish ite nata e wo hormo soto je woli o establish ite nata e wo de ma roso je ye kundi dunia e tandila ite ke moy ko kanalo ko ke fampu karimde e ko kasi ka fo moli ko nte sanji tanni nani mbe patie mon kono nte nyinni neke je sanji tanni nani sanji tan ani nani ke ite nyina tale ko molle be patie kono mili alon ko wolle o patie nyilo sanji tan saba ibe o patie kono inene man kumbo ye mol pa nyim patie la kola ye mol fa nyim patie la kola ye mol buda ende nyim patie kola enen me dingol moy be siring iba fo kan kom faale fata nyim patie wala nyinni bije ke moni United ni temal ni man sino ye UDP ya tentu ye tentu de maro mu yalon koy wole kekan ila life mi yalon koy wole establish and ita la life establish da nyim patie to yalla kemo bi ni kemeno tan kononto United Democratic Party le yatina e wono ni yaje talib nyabo tete fe fa ko bondi UDP na ni yeta ngata party lo because UDP le yatina ite kemo boya o rete le nyanta kila mo labango te dindi labango nyim banko kan mi yalon ka ba datili na UDP la bari horomane ya e horomanta ya tabaki ko dol beje horomanta ya wole ka tinna mo ka fono mom yalon ko ibike mirano ko kununna ke moyte mu dindin kurumbaleti ita manke mo sobeti altel nyanta mallale taliben suda kana ka kumodungal da akali lamane andi kumola pour aller na fo alfale miliyalon ko bi altel mu fofende wolle altun kan alti ke moyte mu dindin kurumbalti ita manke mo sobeti ita sobe ya baliyata bake ite muneke UDP afo moliye mineke UDP kemo afo moliye muneke UDP ke moyte be nyaminna ni UDP ndeno abe dule bulu parce que ite man kuntilo ite man kunni ka fonto sakotilo kono woto ni UDP nte ite be muneke no le fonwe you have been in the university for how many years? Almost 10 years, probably a decade. Iman fenke no fonwe nyimbanko ka iman graduate iman tado dulato ibe bori na molia alfali be ya nyimbanko kanja molia lon ko UDP alfal le moyti na ful tiel le moyti ibe la na fulo ci kale badila ibadile la in the name of United Democratic Party ke moyte kam wol don tole in UDP wol ka fonte ko ke moye don tole andita malon ko ya fonte le ite muneke UDP what have you done for this party alite fonyo la tilimbali ala you are doing all this pour aka usenda bolo to nondi how ungrateful you are. How ungrateful you can be. Kemo nyimpati ya katete bakele de. Nyimpati ya katete bakele andu Alhaji Hussein ya katete bake. Aya katete bake. They have been in the picture. Kabirin talib ke bulay kata misa dabola office auto. Pour ka information otaje ite mete la nyin sifa la nyin tilimbale ya nyin wulindi ya fola ibe wuli ya fola bi ibe wuli bari somebody Muniri Jammeh ndoko malen can witness to this. Longo mina wakil tan ko kemo mba lanyini la mba kelendi la because akaminke pati la adimina Karim Toure was there. Nunda kan kuma ndin koto mal kemo kabra dunta talib la nyin tawla ya kono nina benta ka fo nyile boy akonye boy sinya killing ko banu ngande na ben Alhaji Hussein ka bondi ala last European to ngatra airport terminal bundato main gate. By that time, a lot of people don't even greet me. Well, Antoniati. But probably womu setano kuleti. Anata entara loading kwenye boy. Guy boy akwa. Nko mbesa pila nyinka njambi. Mul nintobe selal. Ngabula je. Ala tata ke doron be nte bota airport to be dunna misadabula so kono doron ngake mo jaka dun misadabula dunta misadabula koda kono ngaja ka boni jaka dun misadabula bungo kono ne muni lebe sila killing ndara salji mutolla ngake nga nyintala loring karam nying fenkatala loring this guy ngamin tofo Fenka Toure kabiri nga wotalo loring kai kemo ako ankai kom amurana kai kemo ite ikatali ben suda khorma ya bunya ite dindi menanto kai talib nte dokoma sabanya wole siate kan komandi boyla kai bari mbe ko kelen BBB ni muta wo boy ka ko ankai mbe da fara foy tonto ni malla wala fonye boy ni be lorinja Karim Toure be loring less than 2 meters. Ama fonye hafinta ama fonye ko tan munina da ko nyanka munire ko si yembatu mema si bo boy la kam bi sain nga boni nyoto mo miete la hajola akonyen si kumandino wo nyama kay ni murta kan koteke mbeda farra Karim Toure was there. Karim belori less than 2 meters. Abe balori ndabe ka mo en sedo be ala hera. Ngayen dindingol la kuru yalo wolto. Ayo makal woto ha ndafana mu kebal design na dimba ankaye ko ni la dimba eta dam aliya e ka dépense bo ndinamento. Ni te konte boy ko ko wolu nembe fala. Nin dindingol la kuru yabe laari wolto. Talib ke ki mol kan. Ke ki mol kan pour ye mol doya. Bi yenteli bula jele ka ya ke ki Mr. Dabo doyal kan. Mr. Dabo nengo nka fali la akuma stadamento because talibi ajel kon tellem nu obstacle against him in the party ye deda pour yenteli doya bi ndelman ke kotake Mr. Dabo wolen obstacle nkali fon ya moyle akodi the only obstacle to Mr. Dabo in the party United Democratic wolen talibti koni nyin dindi wala horomanta yata sai Mr. Talib ni nyanta kila Mr. Dabo la obstacle ti Mr. Dabo manyana kila Talib la obstacle ti nyin kuma kan yin afota fele bang fo mo neketa ko nyin kono kuma kan yin ne fota nyin dindi ngo fe bang fo wolem tonya wala hakilo kono wolem tonyati. So all of a sudden, Mr. Dabo leketa Talib la obstacle because Talib was the bigger person in the United Democratic Party than Alaji Ousainou. Ndindi ngol ning Alaji isida yalo nga fale jang ko alika si jang alika mol moy katara Mr. Dabo ikatara disrespect kan katara nenna katara kuma kan wol folay kuma kan wol mul yalo ka mambetea e ka ko ay ka fo alfay e ka moltulo dalindi wolla ka fo moli ko ali yenyi mun hormal ya bunya amange bunya mota bawon telephone wol ma bunya mamuta fendi and you know what happened ilafta mol dalindi la wolla non ni dalta mo nen kangola e kata fo horomo mba ye horomo mun sutay wo horomo nyin katalale Talib yenye nek I am more recruit everywhere Mr. Dabo nen kango wato le kamoyle it almost become a regular activity mi yalon ko mol ka finti katara ko mol fola Mr. Dabo e dorom Talib ni mobe South Africa Talib was communicating with somebody yalon ninko mole ko Talib mu fani afola Talib kalan Talib was with somebody in South Africa he was communicating with somebody ka fo wo ko kasafiro mo nge nyaaje yesafiro mo nge nyaaje and that person was completely I mean that article was completely against Mr. Dabo Talib yo wo commandi only to congratulate that person kai wo safiro nyengele forgetting that ko animumbe siring wo mari nyi kununga ya amira nunko wo mantara no UDP fa because yo tumal nunko wo mantara UDP Talib kana finda ka fumule ko he is not using social media he is not active on social media baral kanyin nen rol ni tilimbale anin tawla ya kol mul beje nyim banko kanjang al kanyin media mul beje katara UDP nen mol mul yalo ko katara UDP nen e katara kol kala Talib la ba ko be koma I can guarantee you that 100,000%. Ngo, I am speaking out of experience. Talibiente tara nyinko nyin konole. Kabirim Baro Youth Movement lafta lola. We were the first people ye mul contact. And ye mul for ikamile for we know I'll tell you are brave, you can do this, you can do that. Nimu tole what? They will give you a chicken change. Yeta adore yet sapi alwandi alfa ka ite lafta ye mul disrespect ye neng ye kuma kawol foy ye doya Talib ye nyinne ke molla ay nyinne ke Alhaji Ousainou la mul be Alhaji Ousainou nenjang ya disrespect jang openly and still disrespecting him. They are all on the Talib's payroll and they are all answerable to his calls. Je mune ba tinal ntebe mo horoma nga bunya ngana muru ko tek mole taran ko to do ko wala wale taran ko to nibe ku killing e kana muru ko tek ka wo mari nen tam fen so to be min fola woto al kontati linta o mun tilimbal ya man tambi wola and talim nala mol hanim bi wala bije the few ngame 3 to 4 weeks almost I another 3 weeks kala na malon 5-4 weeks kala but 3 weeks I work em finti da nga safero ken kale ko Talib Bensouda is contacting few leaders political leaders pour ni UDP kana alliance ke e kana tara UDP la coalition o kono dole beje ko man tonya for because I have no evidence ndamantara I'm not at a court of law. This is politics. You are giving information mol yalon ko le kadila ni la tela ñinan sanji tang anim feng lok mo kona doyata nyaw ñen sa faale ko ñinni kanake andu nimmo lotay ko ñako pay mum fo jang manke na siata fasiata man si nya sabasi sanji tang anim feng hanim bial belarin ko ntemu fania folo wala mbesila le nga ko fabricate ngana ngala moka mona be jarrante wola kabin Talib kana nyim pati ko nga barota fole de kabin Talib kana UDP anala millionaire ya be nga jala ka den ko mundum ki ali ngam fonyo nyon ne halola way ali ngam fonyo nyon hani mam PPP kuma fo ngo hani coalition ila kacha mi yalon ko le kakeje ndabi kata jede bari nka ku jamale lonje ndai I am not at a position anymore kana ka finti ka fo mole ko nyinni neketa every single day but I am fully aware of what exactly is happening there and I will tell you why and I will tell you right now ko keta je nyaminna and I can assure you kalman jiki ko patil miliyalon ko lebe lala UDP kan billahi wallahi tallahi be lala UDP kan ndele nyim fani ya fali going back to Kemo Bojana Kuo. I felt ashamed. It's very shameful. Kemo ite ko ilafta nyaton kayala. Iko ilafta bankola. Ite be siring luolu. Ibe Adama Barrow kajafila. Ibe Mamadou Sabali kajafila. Ibe Ismaila Cisse kajafila. Ibe Nangam kajafila. Ibe Kumo be fule. As a young man, andi la tala ko mo ila right lete pour yafo. And based on tawolal now ite be sole to ini mole bije ite diamuta foyko sa ye fendolo sto mi yalon ko ilafta kata woleke ba moye kuma kan foy koma mi yalon ko ite be wosilo le kay be la moy kan aman ku to foyete la silo bula je ena mun nan koteke iko kata muneke iko kana o mari le jabi andiyo mari jabi ye wuli koteke yo mari filije ite la hajola. If I was the host, I wouldn't have allowed you to have that access. Killing. Fulanjango nintere wo mariti. I will it inata damento puri kanjabi. Ni access dia te la puri te ente jabi. Nte fanambete la moeda silo leka. Fara boye jinyami na ke bara wole nyama. Ni man sino yenna kuma kan omoi. Itabe silo leka. Ikata. You should have allowed him a kumofo ni access to koteke ni ba jabile na jabi wala mahana madiyati but he refused I waratale I mobile ko ali yemin la Ibrahima kan alte wala lantele kan mumbe Ibrahima bulun tel bulo kono nintele o satete alte sila tele tali sataroke allo kuruya altili mo kurumbaleti banko la nyaato tal da mantara woto mol ko alna nga deda nga biriko la nyokan fonko nga start floor le soto wala 4th 5th floor alena mul ko te kali bulo wol be kono ka be boy alman banko la ku jibeje alman banko la nyaato ta jibeje alman banko la abe banko dingol affect la nyamina alma o be jibeje mo kilingol ko yati na le bulano because Gambia la na floor le be obulu ite kemo ninte mu haji suwanati isi ta damento ko kan jabi nte be wullawote be nda fanan jabi la silole kan ali mun ko lato ali ite min ko lato tonya nte min mira ya fature fan do yale anu fature ya fana ya fan do ya because it la platform motale yake fenkoti ban restaurant adiate nyami ne be dunna wala nyama wala adiate nyami ne finti wala nyama if I was sitting on behalf of Fature, ni futaro la tombafala na moleka, let him go out. Na diate you never appear there anymore. Anamani ngol ni lafta horomo le, ifang le ka horomo di ifang la. Ni lafta bunya le, ifang le ka bunya di ifang la. Ke mo altel mu dindi mbalet, you don't control people in this country. Alim banku dingo, alim bere ka enta jan besona wolal. Altele ke tilimbaloti, ale tara tilimbali ala, ale ke fanya folalti, ale tara fanya fola everywhere. Je ale hanim bi ale be lamani ya den ko manya no folali. Andu ngala tinyaro long. Ngalo ngal the level that you can go. Por ali aje ko nal telman ke fofente nyimbanko kan United Democratic Party fana ye boy. Kal ko la. Imal la finga fensoto, but in fana we will make sure ikana fensoto. This is not about United Democratic Party. This is not about Alhaji Ousainou only being the president. It's about rescuing Gambians from the hardship that they are facing today. But Allah hajo to obeto. And nal pareta wala kana you bragging that ko Allah fa nyimban ko lal. Nyadi la mintoto. Mintoto. Nyadi la. It is only unfortunate that your behavior was tolerated by Fature. Definitely speaking. You are very rude. You were so very rude towards Fatu. Alfal siri wodlado. Kana haji na lawodo dindi haji be. Alfal mati United Democratic Party. Sekumbalo, in as much that you against him. That is political, but Alfal fana mati. Honorable Jiba, famanchi Alfal tinyimbanko kanya. You walk away and come back like you are talking to boys milialon ko lebe sitting atolum fangetolto. That is how you behave. When Alamambe Tankalala, you are given an opportunity to lead this country. That is how you want to hold Gambians. Nimpama nesita ko kemobo jamanke mo kendoti, you go there and you want to use power against Gambians. Wolu nite sembosto nun kemo. Haji suwane te lala nyimbanko kanja wala nabe lala nyimbanko ka be lala kasol na sembo bebul hanamadiya you watch people's action. Ale munke Ibrahima Dibala ndelto sonali o kennaya ni momo kuno muna nanta fola ni man sobe ya muna nanta fola ni man fenkate fango e muna tinanta fola ni UDP e fengo be ditela muna nanta wo fanam fole. Ni teketa fenti B because UDP le atina. Skemo muna tinenta fole. I wish I sat on behalf of Haji. Ibe mi mwela Haji nene mafoe. But kamim befo katata meyo dole ya nangam nyine diala to go against Mr. Daba befani afo. Talib Bensouda was the only person that was giving money to people to go against Mr. Dabo, to be insulting and disrespecting the party leader in his own party. As the head of the organizing secretary. Ale tilimbali yake jamul bijamuli alonko ya faham kabra ali yalo I see one of my brother here but allow black kabra fin 2021 nde mobe jamii alonka akonya ko UDP will lose this election. Kai losing this election akonya ko woma mefang amutakan akonya ko let me tell you akonya ko that black I mean represent. I mean portray for UDP. Konyoko, it will make people scared. Ninyi de bankota, ibe banku dingol kele nyadile. In the run. Molme hakilotu oto. Yala nini molbe kukilike hakilotu kuja malto. But these are the people muli alonko Ibrahim Womo. It was initiated by Ibrahim Adiba. They knew the motive, the reason why, the motive behind Miatina wo black in create. Because the objective was to make sure that whatever the reason is, United Democratic Party boy in 2021, for them to have an access for Talibi UDP lead in 2026. The same thing Ibe can still now. But Ibe Minke can be, it can mean before ye more recruit koteke let's go against United Democratic Party. Kabondi nyung coalition koto, kabondi kujamato. talib na la molu la objective multi mine ba tinna la UDP be boyla in 2026 alkana mulu ko take you still have the audacity to tell Gambians ko you love this country kama na lingam fonyo nyo neni la nta sometimes nin sita ngam mira nyimbanko kata nyaminna ye mira iko coalition talks ko lebe kering coalition talks mol ka jutala bar ku baleng ko alfalle nyanta sila muli yalon ko nyaton ko lem political party le mili yalon ko njikita ko le nyanta nyimbanko bondinola political party muli yalon ko nyante sembo lano la nyokan and ye candidate o nyini mi yalon ko be lata wala to face Adama Barrow in 2026 ye dindi merengol fudi ye samana iko imanjiki mola mi yalon ko to represent UMC na manke nene Freda Gomez lete anenke mo boja wolle kana si koy kana inilla resisi wolle kasi anilla min mane wol anin Ibrahima Tabora mane wol wolle kasi ikoy kana banko la kole kacha min batine be banko bondila nyin kole yakon nyamina wolle kana si nene Freda is part of people muli alonko they are deciding on behalf of the Gambian people woman ke tilimbaliati nene Freda kemo bojang momu yalon ko hani decision o abika tano afamay wolle kana loy koy kamuneke wolle koy kana decision olta on behalf of the Gambian people alingam fonyo chahano la way UMC so lembuge neka political party you take responsible people tay yalna sorry talibu neke president kan moy ne jamal lebe kala our leaders in this country MC Cham Junior wol Alaji Sidia Fofana wol nene Freda Gomez kemo bojang wo musike ba koto kelem faringol muli yalon ko ni be Gambia be tara farol kon yembele be dingol city e tara farol kon if you go to Badibo they are age mates di wolle katari be molu nenna. Those are the people you want to give responsibility to lead this country. Nko wallahi ngal ya khayti ali ngam fonyo chahano la Gambia tambita wala sain. Gambia tambita wala bakele. At least you should respect the Gambian people. Iti emira talib lem president oti. Ali mira don talib lem president oti. Vice president whatever. Ibrahima Diba Katabe Kaloti. Ibrahima Diba wolem vice president oti. Yena amur kote ke you see ministers Jamal le woti nene Freda wolle permanent secretary be Jamal le jela Alaji Sidia Fofana wol e beta Jamal le jela fenka wol Musa je wol. At least Musa satanena. Na munna don kilifa fu munta dem. At least Musa sa mun nañ ko xol ne ki mun na nek ambassador wala mun nañ ko xol ne ki mun nañ ko jox am dombol tank. Why these kids alkana woke way alkana tulum banku dingol la al falle be nyim banko kan so UMC ya mira ko banko ni ikadindi merengol le cika doroita yeta because they saw Ousmane Sonko in Senegal ya mira ko mu dindi ngoti nyamena Ousmane Sonko mu dindi ngoti nyama manke o dindi de andu mo responsible mba ani wolle be ko killing. And majority of those people that you are seeing, they are almost 50-something nabiye. They know what they are doing. They have the educational background and they know exactly what they are doing. Ya mansakunda marale. Ya lo mune mansakunda maroti. Talwi la first experience to engage in politics. United Democratic Party le leadership diala. Iko ina emansa kunda chika yadi wala banko bumebe ika kwenye mara banko dingola alinkana tulu mfangola alinkana mfantinya alikana tulu nyimbankola ntelbe min kona kanya ntale adama na ataja mbe alonka mano banko dingo be alonko nyimano anda takeno la mafa katandi mola mili alonko lefana yano le mba kasaro kono mba kumbo kono manfam bondi nyof je folon aliko nga adama jenke dinga di mola momi yalon ko adama le fam fisata woti onda masi boti wonte masibo ti bang ñing coalition dia momu yalon ka be kering kabiring UDP bonita coalition kacha ñing kono nte ay sain de bi kanya fi kuka besi de nem mam femfo beje fo wulara ndingo round 9 moyen call mu yalon kal faleng akonye ko yen kibaro moyle kay ngal kibaro moyle konye ko le keta ngai bara diamo siatal ada fa konye ko bara diamo siata. What do you mean by that? Ngai ko that is our language as young people. So akonye ko when we walk out konye ko language mum fenkata je probably wolem manyana because we discussed here and there. He'll explain a lot of things. Miyalon ko leketa konye probably language fota nyamina wole konye mane but whatever the case is komi hanim bi telbe bondi kanne ngata mol kote ngamuru kote ken na mol kamburu niye kaja. They meant to say this. So akonya kabin tel fintita kabin ka finti. You know what happened? UMC's representatives were clapping because UDP was going out of the coalition talks. Why are they glad? Why were they celebrating? Because UDP was going out of the talks. What is the motive behind that? What did they expect? What were they representing? Why were they there at the first place? Mune atina ibe nunje because niko alnanga deda mo bebe deda rolto do jeki ta ko alimbatu ndeta ninna mule kacha ko te parce que ngako jabe ta kan nyamina amanya fa ite wo celebrate o de mampare deda rola. You were there for another reason. You came in for another reason. So more or less ni la actionol jibe ye manya jibe ye minke kabiri UDP ko batunga bondije. They celebrated it because they felt ko wole muitela nafati UDP e bonda kono suko defe nying e ka coalition mum for UDP da kana tarano je suko defe coalition nyim fon sitiano because wole muitela motivti ilaftanu wala go then what happened when we went out. Fortunately, mo iko mo miliyalan ko le malafi UDP la. Of course, that is let me say this because mampare I just don't want to deny my audience the truth. PPP came after us. PAP came after us. Nangam came after us. We cannot go because they also stand by us. That is when I realized ko woto yara fang nying coalition no nying UDP ya dabo nije atekela. Now nying coalition no manke will stand in favor of who? For UDP at the end of the day. Until after Talibi at a ballot box. Hanna diata ni modoli la nyokang. Let's face the truth. Ni banko dingo lafta ay banko lead. I banko dingo le carte fire ay banko lead. But wo tilimbale ani wo tapale ya de wo nengo ni wo nakaro ni wo tawla ya ni wo nyanta banna nyimbanko kanyane ka kuma kense on fo banko dingoli. If you believe Talib is a winnable candidate, we want him to be in the ballot box. Yeta carte fay nimu winta salon ko le winta nata Talib is the winnable candidate in the Gambia mol salon bala tapale ya na la tilimbale ya warta. Look, let me tell you, Talib will be old la betolde. UMC mol be old la tol. They are constantly calling political party leaders. Kafoyoko, never you agree with United Democratic Party on these coalition talks. And ikatele party represent ye. alko paleta nyim banko e bondi UMC nte da mantara la kuto bar hani kuti je Karafa Sonko with his experience almost he has been in this political arena for almost 30 years a experience o je bakel talibe ye Karafa cikadoro yatinya anu nganyum fokoto kele longo mine longo billahi wallahi nganyum fay abe balori be balori ngaye ko billahi wallahi talibe suda be tinya la jang til kunte na fay ngaye da bonni talib la koto lo mine election o keta flag bearer election o wolu nen Karafa la stadium la ndele ya ko man telefon ngaye Karafa ngaye ke ku bake a tarafa na so la tambul fenne la de Fatelem call Fontela call I cannot recall, but I know ko wolundi amtal. Aye yamar ko nganda bondi nyim politique diamol fangoto let me concentrate on my media. Ila media banko bele kala moy ila media fennin teng ila media tenin teng ite jikita mol fangol la ko tonya mol le muyti pati ko no wol fangol kalabante yatale maje karning dun tatenne. Adiam ta fa pare den kai Karafa ko an kai there is one thing that I want you to know kai ni bulata talib noma a beti nyala tidi kunte beti nyala andi wallahi al sonta nyen Karafa fango sonta la man songa talib yati nyala Karafa be daminto nene Freda kata UMC represente politique diamo decision making ne muyti ni mambo di jensi e kolo with my experience. But unfortunately, this is what we have in the Gambia. You see people muli alonko ikana muli sacrifice alaji usene mumbeke nyimbanko ka. Alaji usene yakata nyimbanko e. Wallahi ni nyinke basi itali kachata 2 minutes ifankalo ko nyi yakata nyimbanko ele. Billahi wallahi tallahi ayelo tutaje ala nafulo tutaje asembo tutaje ala dindiya beke nyimbanko nyi ala dindiya nala ke baya beke nyimbanko le koni Gambia dingol to nyato nga ko do jibe ala Usain Dabo should be the last person Gambia dingo nyanta min do yala because I mun represent nyimbanko ka ay minke nyimbanko e a fota min na nyimbanko e bari kadi ndi menewol jekeri kudut pour ina wone muli yalon ko ila suwol fangol kono hani mani poto do be je bi ka sanno e fangol ye amna gudi yo xamantene Usain Dabo dafa rotalel Gambia ni mo de mon ci tenbi rotal bopam rotalel ñun albe sonna wala that is the fact. But ungrateful people are always ungrateful. Hani dunia na kono fengo beleke, they will remain ungrateful. Barinte alaji Usain moya e mimfo. Ni modol beje milialon ye ay mimfo fajarta nyenyina. Modol beje milialon ko be nyim banko kay o kuma kan kilingo moy. Wallahi be kule kelanta ma hanya minkela. Pour kalo nyinke bay. Aya kata bake nyim banko ile. Usain Dabo ya kata bake nyimbanko e akata bake nyimbanko ay wallahi billahi ki alfa ko mola te fintinola bar Usain ya kata bake nyimbanko ele ay kelo ke nyimbanko e ay afan sacrifice nyimbanko e wala na kabir nga kemo wol moy be Usain Dabo kaja fikan wala ka kuma kan wala Usainula nte Usain mu long bibi iji kita mumbela UDP ni tata no mabika ko Usaina safo ko kudun tata yale bari tenin bari man kuma soto no abul billahi wallahi taala ite jikita min fangola as nete ya te fana ye jikite la ko Usain ni tele ka kacha. That is how Usain Dabo is wala nan kabiri nga moy kemo ko Usain ye sindile akoy ko sama atelebe kala nyimpati nya ton koti wala ndebe mfonyo dal mbadi la tele lan ko aye wulu woni Usain loy fankalo no ko nyimbe wuli yale foka fo moy ko sami you can be a leader ka encourage wola as a leader mu yalon ko is responsible and he lafte dingoli mu yalon ko be impati kono woli be ke fenti fo usene be ala tali gibe la fay ko fonyo political because he manda ke je fenti but ka fo ko you can be leaders tomorrow and of course they could have been baroma min ko usene ka fo ko altelle bente la place o nyindala momu yalon ko gata election ola ay campaign oke ntele campaign oke nkasi janne fo suto talanani talalulu ibe kasino anunga campaign oke nyame na yake wala nyama sai wobe patie cikanola nyadi la ayadi mola kol nte nyim patie cikangadi tel kudol beje wo mu hada madi yalde moli ike mira wolalde if it makes sense kuma kan dol beje it does not make any sense muli alaji Ousainou Long wol balo na konte kamin fo ko ngalo nen kamin fo ko alaji Ousainou te kumo bulala mobulu abeka kumo bulala mobulu hana manke ke molti ni momu nata ya ko Ousainou Dabo konte te nyimpati kono akonyele ko mbe nyim place o dile la wala mbe place o prepare ni hanyita la fa ye fani de ni ata de hanyita la ni ma hanya nak amute kono yalon kabe fani yale foke the person is just lying to you tandin ke mo kanyim fo Ibrahima Diba mafu ko Ousainou Dabo kayle ko nyim place o nying mbadi de mbadi la talible la I will open lines if you want to contribute. You can call on this number, I think 00221 779462119. Few calls, only few. More after few of them followed wrong. Quickly, so could see Kajanyin Dawoto because Kajani metal lava kumum from be volunteer for no because so kutala and then we have so many things to do. You wato fanan kono bulo mutala family issues that we have to settle. And wala na kodol bije mafo no kabiri wo watola. But you can call on this number quickly if anybody is interested. Na atara wo fanan man soni aden sa kachani mbe laba na kumvala bag because time o man si abake anymore. Time moment here, and then I think time moments here, and then ngamo ifanang ko Mama Kandeh la fatala NPP ndesa pila wokang anun malafika sapakam fana na Mama Kandeh la ta NPP Mama Kandeh alone ko kuno dana dampa muyati na fay wolone Mama Kandeh ndel na be denta ngada mala kuru yafo jang ngada mala tawla yafo jang ngada mala tilimbali yafo ngada mala banko kanubali yafo ayatandi molal kate adama lonne adama la sobe ya bali ay emphasize bantabalto mitinolto ko dal kono musu kafo ya kumanda ka chate fe ajam ta journalist olié newspaper li yala kuma kon safe ya landi wol bebe mo lebulu bini Mama Kandeh kilingo ko atay min be fo adama e wol banke toñati allegedly ko be manke toñati ko adama la barakata teti aka min fo no adama ya telebe wo nyama you can shit. Do not call directly. You can only call on WhatsApp. Okay. Let me see because ya jana WhatsApp setting ni nyame na ni mole call ke. Okay. Yeah, sorry, na WhatsApp be setting nyamina. Ni mole call ke ni if you are not in my friends. Okay. But okay, what total? Anyways, I will call. Okay, I will call here. Okay. What happened is Mama Kande ate yalo na imin fo adamai. Bankudingo li yalo ne Mama Kande imin fo adamai. Ni Mama Kande yo betu ya lata adama kabbi. Moli yalo ne jemale Mama Kande di buboba. Anu moli yalo ne si Mama Kande mutano nyaminna. Ning adam Mama Kande mimbe fo adamai nasi ta ko mole ko to nyante. Ngam fo mbelala adama kanne. Mbani adama be butala ko adama buru fof ko fari. Tonya fola be tonya fola way nak fani ya fola be fani ya fola. Ni sun ka fo jibe tata dunda su wo sun ka fo ko nga wol mutanya mine la sunya ron be fana na su ya mutala wole nyama. Ni fani ya fola jibe kata kace kono ni ngela wuliya fofo be fana ta fola. That is the fact. Andung mumu to nyati famu to nyati. Assalamu alaikum.
Yancho.
Nam.
Yancho inimbara.
Inimbara. Todi ma ikan command from state, right?
Lawi manjang.
Bismillah.
Nyadile.
Alhamdulillah.
Nka al continue mballa moyka.
Bismillah.
Fale kesol ni bukule kon mode nyamo.
That's right.
Yeah, but alama ale alfanajo.
Amin.
Ite min do ma baye atul mom kay. Mashallah.
No bayo wolle telbe dandandiro la dono.
Ifana bijile nada gambele hado ko bari nke try la nambala le buge so not a nyomi. I try to meet you, but alaman kiti na nyoje wala. Unfortunately.
Yeah. Unfortunately. Okay, thank you very much. I think I have another person who was calling. This guy wanted to. I don't know if he is still. Hey, mbadi benyadi.
Hello pa. Benyadi.
Benya alhamdulillah. Good alhamdulillah.
La programa be diaram ba.
Thank you. Jamaleng ebe kumandiro la minto.
Kam madi fati baram be kon non falinalde.
Ani wote kenola. Mane bonino lo mane ya samba fati. Altelle alla silo bulan telebe na silo kan animbi.
Ani ba be kon non falina sai ba fati le yam.
Subhanallah. Altel mudomor lallet.
Alberto Gomina ala pose de inshallah na yada ale.
Thank you.
Ning ala sonda ni nan sonda inshallah mon na do ala poka.
Kolem to nyati.
Alma Allah hamul beti mala ala do alma ala kana kale ken son.
Amin ala bara ngadengala.
Ala baraka baga de kay obla jibela.
Thank you very much. Mbeden tala, thank you very much man. All right, thank you Fati Kunonko. Thank you very much. Anyways, we've seen some people are saying mulba fo kan ko be call ke kay mantara dunno nga call sol muliye nga do return but dol biye mal probably yeah. Anyways, me mama kandela ko mol fo kan wrong quickly ngalo ne mbara pola mbala ndila wolto nga dandi je fulundo mama kande okay mumbe call ke kan 392 please wala mun na number labanta 575. Can you call on WhatsApp please? Yeah. Njanko wali manjang. I don't know. This is okay. I think no call Solomon Beijing. I think I have to make these settings again. Yeah, the number is on WhatsApp. Farman Sanyang. The number is on WhatsApp. Is 00221. Wale be screen out. So please try that, and then ibe do nolal then so ko defe hani man dun tebe la number jila I will return the call so ko defe sa dandi wola. Anyways, about this guy Mama Kande. Hey, what's up bro? Ibe nyari.
Inimbara pa.
Yeah, hi inimbara abe todi ma. Mr. Cisse, thank you for joining us.
United States, Kansas.
Thank you, Mr. Cisse, for calling us.
Yeah, man, for it. I remember no telling an call no I apologize about Nibe Suda phone call program about UDP. Yeah, Nka for UDP. The unite can instead of make a small men for no will my unite in the time of I trust Talim so much.
Yeah.
I come account men for Nasi that care part of PR job all men care. We have so much confidence in Talim. But Talim not until disappointed. You have to account men bear for chow. Everything echoed in my brain. These people, Gambia Sopela Hard.
That's right.
Yeah, Gambia Sopela after Gambia Ita. UDP Lord Sanji Tanzaba named Woliedo woman bake. You be a chica. Yeah, did a similar Kudel and in Abala Kudel.
Yeah.
It's a quarter similar Kudel, but you put an Abal Kudel at all. Nico and Abala Kudel, Carola Kakati.
Definitely.
So, wale ati na mano fonga nanake kumandi nonka fo enko pa ye hakobo endinye.
You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry.
Ale ade samara nende ajenya.
You don't have to worry.
UDP de nsi sabari. Nsi sabari. Nga sabari nga ala muta Gambia dingulu. Nyina Gambia dingulu be mfasa ala. Gambia dingulu be tonya ajela.
Exactly.
Ala be tonya ajela, Gambia be tonya ajela, Gambia dingulu be mfasa ala. Ala be mfasa ala ni ala ko membe kela. Mobuko baino, Jombuko baino.
Olem tonyati.
Nsidanja wonga funko dimo like
Abaraka Bake. Thank you, bro, for joining us. Abaraka Bake.
Thank you.
All right. Seeing so many calls here for me, better. But anyways, quickly. Hey, Mbari Benyadi.
Yes, Honorable Benyadi.
Mbejang, welcome to Kibaru Network.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm the one that was trying to call you on direct call, but then I realized that I was not the right one.
Okay, all right, okay.
Yeah, this is Farim anyway, and a student of the UTG.
UTG, okay. School. Bismillah, Farma. Thank you for joining us.
And I think it's important that I make this call. I'm a student leader. In fact, I am the president of the Nursing Students Association at the UTG.
Thank you, Farma.
I initially have the feeling that, okay, I should not be up to this politics and all that. Even though I have UDP at heart, I was like, I have to reserve myself because I'm leading the students and not all the students are support UDP.
Correct.
However, the manipulative politics that have started, the politics of lies, and then all that have started, I have recently started posting and then going all out. I'm leaving tomorrow, and in fact, tomorrow I will be at the press conference. The only thing that I want to say is this, that I think we have to, it's important that you respond to Kemo and talk about native federal governments and others. But the only thing that I have in head is that if people like you or prominent people in the United Democratic Party wanted to talk about these silly people, you are just giving them confidence. You are just giving them a room to express themselves more. You are just giving them validity. So for me, I think what we should be talking about more as militants of this party or you people as elders in this party is the concepts about age, the concepts about the tribal line, and other manipulative or other I don't know how will I say, non-existent concepts that Gambians have. Is that they are existing concepts in people's mind, but they are concepts that are very, very wrong that people have against the party leader. I think these are the concepts that we're supposed to be coming online to debunk, to give them more explanations that, things like Dabo have served and then he have not been into any corruption scandal. And we have seen young people being into corruption scandals, young people that have come and then they show us that they are against Barrow, they are against Jammeh, and then they are later have to join Jammeh. And Dabo was there consistently fighting against the system since 1996.
That's right.
I think these are some of the things that we need to come on board and then talk to the masses about.
Noted.
We are just giving them relevant. These people are nothing. I can tell you, I'm a third year Muslim student at the UTG, but I have spoken with Kemo several times. If you go to Talib's page, you will see it there. I even met Talib with my association. But I can tell you, I can debate with some of them, even their party leader, or even most of them. I can in fact debate with them. They will not put me down as third year Muslim student. So if you people are coming online to talk about them, I think it's a waste of time. Let's talk about our agendas now. Let's talk about the ideas or the things that people have that we think are just bad concepts that we have put into them. That's just what I want to say. These people are just nonsense. Like Kemo and others, they don't know anything. We need to talk about. We don't need to talk about them. It's just nonsense. Nonsense.
What's the name again? You said.
The name is Farem. I will be at the press conference tomorrow, and then I think I will speak with many people.
Okay. Yes.
I don't know whether you'll be there.
I'm not sure. But there is something that I want you to understand as well. If, for example, Kemo took the opportunity to pass an information that is not accurate, I think it is necessary that we come out and debunk the lies that you've said, because he said it publicly. He said it in a media that is mostly listened by the majority of the Gambian people. And what he said about Mr. Dabo need to be clarified. And that was the reason, or that is the purpose that we came out to clarify this statement. Because it is as important to us. Mr. Dabo cannot win elections, or Mr. Dabo is Mandinka, or Mr. Dabo has been serving here and there and there and there. Now, if Kemo Bojang can publicly say that Mr. Dabo said he is not going to contest or he was not ready to contest in 2026, meaning Mr. Dabo have betrayed their trust, or what he promised them, or he has break that promise, which is a lie. I know it's a lie. Then it is also my responsibility, if I know that's a lie, to come and tell Gambians that whatever Kemo said in that interview or whatever sitting is a complete lie. So I see I think it's not a big deal to tell people how these people are, and I do subscribe also to your opinion that we need to emphasize the stand of the people, the party, and also to tell Gambians what is the tomorrow of United Democratic Party. What the United Democratic Party in the leadership of Hussein Dabo can do for them. I do subscribe to that as well. So I don't think we are in the same page in this.
Yeah, I get your point. I was emotional at the end of my.
I do understand. I was like that before.
My own as I am. I don't like speaking about these people. I just don't like it. Come on, even if I hear people speaking about them, I feel like we are giving them relevant. But however, it's important to do clarifications and all. And then I also subscribe to that. But however, come on, let's treat people more important. Let's treat those at the farms more important than these people, because they are useless. And one thing I can tell you is Kemo Bojang cannot convince any capable Gambian. Anybody that go to school, he cannot stand with you and convince you.
Including his own wife. Including his own wife.
Even the sons, even the children that he's having.
No, Kemo is not elder than his kids. So probably those are little kids. He is not elder than his kids. So anyways, abaraka bake ben bari ngeten to gal ko nyanta diam no manika ko babutung abem kilingolti. you know. I understand.
They are very useless.
Yeah, I know.
Them relevant.
I understand.
But anyway, it's good that we just Sisla Jalama and others that we are just every day talking about it. Let's forget about it. Let us sell the agenda. Let us tell people.
No, but I rarely address them. Unless and until they come out with something me alone, I need to come out and debunk it. But Purunde la kuma kama is very rare.
I have been following your post and I have not been seeing that. But the likes of Sisla and others, I have been seeing it. And I think they are doing very, very good. They are doing everything at their own to sell UDP out. They are giving relevance to these people that cannot do anything, can't even convince their own wives. That's what I think.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for Baraka Bake, man. Thank you for joining us. All right. Baraka Bake for Mangela Kumo Moile and Fanan. We have taken a good note of what you said. And basically, Yemin Folem Tonyati, Nyanda Fananga concentrate. Kol kamia lonko wole nyanda kila pati yele nyanto sati but coming mobike do ifango doya wala mobike doya ifango doya mobike doya ita sini ba jibe kan abe kodol kelela it's not done and then I believe ko from time to time ka finti ka itandiro che mola kol mili lonko lekita wala kuma ka mili lonko wolle fota nimma nyim fono probably modol sa mira ko ke moy min fo alaji usen la koto to nyalen alaji usen yekumo bulle abote koto wala dunta janna finti janna. Political people have different perception in it. Modo ka mira ko nyinde nyanta fola modo ya mira ko nyinde nyanta fola modo fa ya mira ko nyinte nyanta nyine fanam fola but in the round run if am be ka faham le ko nyinde nanta ka kedro nga ci wonyam political afanu battle is coming momo nyanta dami mutala je muta and I believe ko it's like a political jukul ko banko you have soldiers you have atodum fang doctors you have footballers you have atodum fang sungol tapale mol nangam political be wolenya now niko ntebe na sojarol be kabo katila wala be na sojarol be fata at the end of the day ibe na sola lela ite jenola wala ibe na sola ite stonola so their presence is as important as isolata doctor wala isolata technocrat sola nyamena the amirako kirimba so dolbe ye wala kuma is like nga fenka soto nyamin na la resise la min mane wol their importance or presence in the party is as important as Ismaila Asin mu yalon fananka wuli jana na la fangol na ala fenkol sun kalangol because modo be je wol lafta ka kuke party la wala lafta ko kuma fo party nya ton koe abe sila because wona la sun kalangol batina so I think mom e nyanta dame mutale be wol to mutala branch leng mom nyanta mum bindele be wol bindela e tele baji be le ba bindele nyamen fo ba bindele ya nyamo tuje bam fo ba bindela fon ye nyamo ko eta fay fo eta bindela frenke wotu de telebulu barintel be we also have our responsibility in the party so kamala be funding kele be tentula be jaila be fana be nimbara miliyalon ko wala ka participate political kono wala ka diam political la karola and wala fana ka diamo United Democratic Party la kola alaji usenu banko be yalo ne sai molmul yalon ko e kadiyamu non ka foko ha ni usenda bo winta atekala fendi usenda ala fenda fo mo manika ko moy abi ka manika kan kenno fono so ni ko ibo mutala iba fala ko mu tribalist solti do iba to nyela definitely speaking ni fenda abi ka manika ko fono ite ko kana fin le ka fo mole ko nyimu tribalist solti definitely speaking ni ka to nyele alinga to nya fo nyoy Tony Roman Betea alaji useni nyimbanko kanu ngafa I told you earlier ko alaji useni ni nasi tali kachata I demand him for sacrifices that he have done for this country billahi wallahi tallahi hani mu sali hani mu fenkoti ka fa jahannaba dingoleti you will subscribe to his atodum from his leadership woko tanale fer so ite uliafo encourage no la ko uliafo na uliafo ye la ye bamminna wala uliafo ina ya itandala ko kanyi mu fufani yalen andu nyinne ati nan ko kam mu fufani yalen tapale mo be wole nyama mo tilimbalo fongo in general be wole nyama baniye bula itara ko kala moli ko ngam nga nyaka so be to de man so nyaka sol andu nyili ko ne tole bondi ya muntu da jaman siya ni tole bonije mo dantang wala be jemi ika jiki mul fon la ko nyini banke tole wala fon mu tole another person is calling please call from from WhatsApp ngajibe because call from WhatsApp. I think you cannot call directly. I spoke to this guy and he called again. Anyways, think so could also intel so could batajan neni kala walen kalbe tentle ndron kala jey kali nimbara ka fale ko nga alla lamoyo nga kuma yandi bakel andum nga lone fananko nin sita jambi altel la ko yatinna. And we are very grateful pour nga tarasiri njannale ka cha bankola kola nyimbanko nata ta nyato bi intel bela manta be ngoleng so kamala bankola nyato ta nimbe sidi mbaka chala dron nga jele ko intel be na nafa wolen sija oro kamala mbe mobe tentla mbe mobe jaila mbe mobe nimbara including Alhaji Ousainou Fango anina Alpha Miliyalon kolle be nyaton kaya ke kam United Democratic Party alune sometimes from now on me karla kanale kakacha mulfe regarding ko muliyalon ko lebe caring ni coalition talks adama barola man sakundala ko kuma kawon muliyalon ko le kafo Alhaji Ousainou la koto we will start talking about all that but wo kola na kansi mo be tentu ngam mo fana be jayi budungal nal badi ma pamane ngale ajele we are trying to structure something dolbe jali o jel dolbe jal mo woje bari mbe duala le mbe duwa fana ndani lal bulu ko ngani silo minta la male manta be mbeje bawa skenon na manta be ngotila skeno modul fana na manta be ndo muliyalon ko lema akumas la tarandi wala je so modo si kunno je ho kamala mbe duwa dal lal bulu bake ko probably you may see some changes installation ol be keni mbar ngalo ne ko ngalo janni wati sutun drong be ku jamal jelan mi yalon ko be change lale and we are ready to work on that and janim be futala 2020 janim be futala few weeks adama fa walo na ko saying nyimol pareta do ko la ande me do ko kala momu yedami no wolende kalbe tentu kalbe jayi alnal badi ma pamane la baraka ba calla moy ku nyimal